In this tutorial you will learn how to fix taskbar not hiding in Windows 11.
First, press Alt plus Control plus Delete. Select your task manager. Locate your Windows Explorer service. Right-click it. Select End Task. Click on File. Select Run New Task. Type Explorer.x. Press OK. Now your problem should be fixed. That didn't work. First, press the Windows key plus R. Type the following text. Press OK. Now your search bar should work again. That didn't work. First, press Alt plus Control plus Delete. Select your task manager. Click on File, then select Run New Task. Select Run this task with administrative privileges. Type PowerShell. Press OK. Now type sfc/scan now. Now wait for Windows to be repaired.